back to square one.
Feel another attack, a reaction impacting every comment, start a brand new track, a brand new plaque, a brand new stack. If I can hack it without getting distracted and breaking a new contract, I'm getting limited by flesh and blood. Dopamine receptor needs a fresh flood of the chemicals. Serotonin feeling so ephemeral in general malaise. I'm stuck wasting several days waiting for a burst of inspiration, instigation of a more productive phase. Organic brain in a panic clash. I gotta go fast like static. Double the time it takes, double the bad mistakes, double the monthly breakdown, the shakedown, the trouble with self-doubt. I'm feeling sick of confusion. Give in to the robotic focus and now with the human. Want to be a machine and I want to be shiny, chrome and clean. There's something there's something wrong with me. Oh no, I can't change my CPU 'cause I'm scared I'll be the same to you. There's something wrong with me. And now it's back to square one. Feel a pulse like a rhythm that's breaking. Maybe it's the pills that I've been taking, but I feel overclocked, overworked, over and over, too hot. I got to stop. Turn the plan on, turn the fan on, melting from the inside, trying to stand on fire. Down wired, it's got a virus. Thought I was the new me, back to the old trip. Heart goes boom, trapped in a padded room, a womb for powerless flowers who can't bloom. Don't assume from afar that you can diagnose a ghost just from looking at the stars. Stars in your eyes, I can tell, but you're living in denial. Try out living in hell. You'll be sick of confusion. Start the infusion. Robotic is better than human. I want to be a machine, and I want to be shiny, chrome and clean. There's something wrong with me. Oh no, I can't change my CPU 'cause I'm scared I'll be the same to you. There's something wrong with me. And now it's back to square one. Over and over, too hot, I got to stop. Turn the plan on, turn the fan on, melting from